What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Tailscale account. You can't directly delete a Tailscale account yourself. You can only do this by contacting support at tailscale.com/contact/support. Once there, choose the submit a support request option, then you'll be asked to fill up your account details, like your name, email address, your request severity, type of request you want from support, and a short summary of your request. Set the request type to account deletion and fill out the rest of the form. When finished, click on Send Request and wait for support to contact you for any updates. Alternatively, you can delete your Tailnet instead. Log into your Tailscale account and on the admin dashboard, look for Settings. Under the General Tailnet Settings, scroll down until you find the Delete Tailnet option. Click it, confirm your choice, and your Tailnet will be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that this will also remove all devices and networks linked to your account. And that's how you delete your Tailscale account and Tailnet. Thanks for watching.